In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a numbered list in Notion. If you've ever wanted to lay out steps in order, track tasks by priority, or just make a process easier to follow, a numbered list is perfect, and it takes only a few moments to set up. First, open your browser and head over to notion.com. On the homepage, click Login. Use your usual sign-in method to access your account. Once you're in, navigate to the workspace you want to work on. If you're part of multiple teams or have both personal and shared spaces, make sure you're in the one where you want this list to live so everything stays organized. Next, go to the page where you want to add a numbered list. Place your cursor exactly where the list should begin so Notion knows where to insert it. Now, on your keyboard, type the /. This is the shortcut that opens Notion's command menu and is the quickest way to insert any type of content block without hunting through menus. A drop-down menu will appear right where your cursor is. This menu shows a list of block types you can add. Scroll down until you see the option labeled Numbered List. If the menu is long and you don't see it right away, start typing numbered to filter the results and make it pop up faster. Click Numbered List and Notion will insert the list block with the first number ready to go. Start adding your content by typing the first item. Keep your phrasing clear and concise so each step is easy to follow. When you're ready to add the next item, press Enter on your keyboard. Notion will automatically continue the numbering for you so you can stay focused on your ideas instead of formatting. If you need a blank line inside the same numbered item for clarity, hold Shift and press Enter to create a line break without starting a new number. And if you want to reorder items later, you can drag them up or down using the handle to the left of each line. The numbering updates automatically to stay correct. That's all there is to it. You've gone from opening Notion, logging in, picking the right workspace and page, using the / to open the command menu, choosing numbered list, and smoothly building out your content by pressing Enter to keep the sequence going. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.